Is it time to buy or sell HIMS and HERS Health Class A stock? In this video, we are exploring HIMS and HERS Health Class A in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 26th of June, 2025, and we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analyses for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since June 23, 2025, our system has designated HIMS and HERS Health Class A as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.11. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. Surprisingly, the stock has outperformed our system's predictions, achieving a gain of 10.24%. This equates to an average return of 2.56% per day since it was classified as a sell candidate. The stock is positioned in the lower range of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, which typically presents a compelling buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor at $41.99 be breached, it would first suggest a deceleration in the rate of increase, but it may also serve as an early warning for a potential trend reversal. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible change of 81.69% over the upcoming 3 months, with a potential return ranging from 64.86% to 215.61%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis forecasts an 85.46% projected change. According to our assessments, the stock's performance could vary from 28.99% to 229.5% within the next year. In current terms, this would suggest a future price range between $59.70 and $152.28. Our latest daily update for HIMS and HERS Health Class A includes the headline, Volatile Ride for HIMS and HERS Health Incorporated, Class A stock price, on Thursday moving between $40.88 and $46.80. The HIMS and HERS Health Incorporated Class A stock price gained 11.76% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 26th of June, 2025, rising from $41.41 to $46.28. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 14.48%, with a low of $40.88 and a high of $46.80. The price has been experiencing ups and downs during this period, resulting in a 19.6% loss over the last 2 weeks. The trading volume increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, with a total of 2 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 64 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $2.97 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $72.98, while the lowest price was $13.47. Currently, the price is 36.59%, or $26.70, below the 52-week high of $72.98, which remains the all-time high for the stock. HIMS and HERS Health Incorporated is currently facing significant legal challenges as multiple class action lawsuits have been filed against the company, alleging potential violations of federal securities laws. These lawsuits target investors who purchased HIMS securities between April 29, 2025 and June 23, 2025. Investors have until August 25, 2025 to file as lead plaintiffs. These legal troubles stem from allegations related to misleading marketing practices and a recent partnership cancellation by Novo Nordisk, which further complicates HIMS' position. The fallout from these lawsuits poses a considerable risk to HIMS' stock price in both the short and long term. In the short term, the uncertainty and negative sentiment surrounding these lawsuits may lead to a drop in the stock price as investors react to the legal developments. The potential for increased scrutiny and financial liability could further erode investor confidence. In the long term, if HIMS is found liable, or if the lawsuits result in financial penalties, the repercussions could dampen its growth prospects and overall valuation, impacting future performance. Investors should remain vigilant as these developments unfold, with the potential for volatility as the company navigates through these legal challenges. The coming weeks will be crucial for HIMS as they respond to these lawsuits and attempt to mitigate any damage to their reputation and stock price. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 23rd of June, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned HIMS a sell grade, along with a hold action. On the same day, it was also noted that UBS rated HIMS as underperform with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 4th of June, 2025, Needham gave HIMS a buy grade accompanied by a hold action. Earlier, on Monday, the 2nd of June, 2025, Citigroup again assigned HIMS a sell grade with a hold action. Lastly, on Thursday, the 22nd of May, 2025, UBS provided HIMS with a hold grade, also recommending a hold action. Analysts have given HIMS and HERS Health, Class A stock, a general neutral rating. They rate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, for return on investment, the analysts assign the stock a rating of strong buy. The following signals have been identified for HIMS and HERS Health Class A. Volume is rising along with the price, which is considered a favorable technical signal. However, there are also some negative signals that could influence the near short-term developments. The HIMS and HERS Health Incorporated Class A stock currently holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal from the relationship between these two indicators, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. In case of upward corrections, resistance will be encountered at levels of $51.02 and $55.38. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, May 16, 2025, and to date, the stock has fallen by 28.41%. Further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals that you may find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 28 days ago. Bollinger suggests a buy signal from 5 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 5 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a sell signal from 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 4 days ago. Looking at the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a sell signal from 5 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 33 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for HIMS and HERS Health Class A. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $41.98 and $41.88. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock may then decline to the next support level. In this case, HIMS and HERS Health Incorporated Class A finds support just below today's level at $41.98. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $41.88 and $35.04. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock fluctuated by $5.92 between its high and low, or 14.48%. Over the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 10.71%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for HIMS and HERS Health Class A, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued, or it could suggest that investors are anticipating significant growth in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 4th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 17 cents. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for HIMS and HERS Health, Class A. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for HIMS and HERS Health Class A is at $49.47. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, HIMS and HERS Health, Class A, encounters its first support level at $41.98. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for HIMS and HERS Health Class A from various analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 23rd of June, 2025, Okope Oluyemi executed an insider sale of 23,107 shares of Class A common stock. On the 13th of June, 2025, Chi Michael conducted an insider purchase of 87,106 shares of Class A common stock. On the 13th of June, 2025, Chi Michael also conducted an insider sale of 48,166 shares of Class A common stock. On the 17th of June, 2025, Chi Michael executed another insider sale of 17,102 shares of Class A common stock. On the 13th of June, 2025, Chi Michael further sold 19,358 shares of restricted stock units. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 16.508. In total, insiders purchased 925,445 shares and sold 1,282,629 shares in the last 100 trades. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and there is no stop loss currently established. Is HIMS and HERS Health, Class A stock a good buy? The HIMS and HERS Health Incorporated, Class A stock, shows several negative indicators. Despite a positive trend, our analysis suggests that HIMS and HERS Health Incorporated, Class A, is likely to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. After examining the volatility and trading patterns from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 27th of June, we anticipate HIMS and HERS Health, Class A, will open lower by $1.63, starting at $44.65. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.